Welcome to the BookAMed IELTS series. In this video, we will delve into 4 commonly asked IELTS speaking test prompts, exploring the nuances of each task and providing insights on how candidates can effectively approach and excel in these scenarios. The IELTS speaking test is an important component of the exam that gauges a candidate's ability to express themselves fluently, coherently, and with precision. To navigate this segment successfully, test takers must be well prepared for a variety of prompts that assess their speaking skills across different contexts. From personal experiences to abstract concepts, these prompts are designed to evaluate language proficiency in diverse situations. So, let's check out 4 commonly asked speaking test prompts. The first prompt is, how do you spend your weekends? The second prompt is, how do you spend your leisure time? The third prompt is, do you think hobbies can be incorporated into your job? The final prompt is, can you talk about your friends? You can shape the answers to these prompts based on your personal situation to provide fun and engaging responses. For health and social care jobs, send us your CV to cv@bookamed.com and we will call you.